Hello, I'm Grant Brosseau. I am the program director of Kaiser University and online instructor. I've been with Kaiser for 18 years. I've worked with the uCertified product through Kaiser University. My core instruction area is MIS and ITM, and so I'm very familiar with the uCertify product for the class of CTS 2304 Cisco training. The Cisco environment that is created by uCertify creates a lab environment that the students will log into and do a set of lab tasks. From a student perspective, the student has basically a cookbook environment using uCertify. It's a step-by-step process where the students will actually operate within the command line box to simulate exactly what is real life. The commands, having done this in the field for 35 years, working with Cisco in networking as I was a network engineer, there is no difference between what they'll find in the real world versus what uCertify provides. From a student perspective, I cannot foresee a more realistic training environment than what uCertify provides. From an instructor perspective, the grading aspect of it is, since it does not link with the Blackboard or Canvas, whatever type of L&M format the school may use, it requires students to take screenshots of their grades upon completions. That is easy for them to do. It's located in the lower right-hand corner, has a displays their competency of that lab that they completed. And so they just take the screenshot and they submit it, and then I can easily transfer over the grade. So that's not a functional problem. It's just a matter of convenience from an instructor perspective. The biggest challenge that I see and I witness with students on a regular basis is the licensing factor. The licenses are very difficult for students. From an instructor perspective, I load their information and register them to the class, and there is a 4-day grace period for the students to purchase the license. Recently, the addition of uCertify making available the digital copy of the Cisco manual, as well as the licensing from electronic perspective through the bookstore, has helped immensely. However, the licensing is a challenge because of multiple vendors. They get a license to get a license, meaning that when they get the license, the student thinks they have a license to put into uCertify, and the uCertify license they got is not for uCertify. They have to redeem it through Byteware, and then that license becomes available. Even if that was streamlined, which may or may not be outside of uCertify, inside the uCertify environment, the challenge is assigning the student to my course. From an instructor's perspective, if I was to make a recommendation as to what it would take to make uCertify a whole lot easier for student and instructor interfacing, would be that the instructor has the ability to copy a student's license into their profile, into their classroom, and pull them into their class. Now, the option does exist. If you click on the student, you can see that you have the ability to enroll that student into your class, but the functionality is inoperative. I have not seen yet where it has worked for me. And when you click the button, it just does nothing. So if that functionality could be restored, it would make life a whole lot easier for the students as well as the instructors. For places like Kaiser who run accelerated courses, every day matters. I like to use the analogy that 1 week equals about a month in traditional brick and mortar, because our classes, by being accelerated, are only 4 weeks long. The uCertify environment provides a wealth of information for a Cisco certification. But because, again, in an accelerated environment, we have pick and choose what assignments and what labs are going to be utilized. Therefore, if a student does not enter the uCertify world environment through the instructor's class, they're faced with a sea of options and the detail of practice exams and practice labs and so on and so forth. It makes it very difficult for them to sift through the high volume of testing and training opportunities that uCertify does offer within the Cisco class. For the conventional 15-week student, this probably would not be an issue, because I can see the depth of material would be required anyways to successfully complete the CCNA exam. On a whole, under a perfect world, when these challenges have been resolved, the student feedback about uCertify is effective, highly intuitive, realistic, and they all share the same feedback that they believe that the uCertify interface made them better prepared for real life. I had one student about a year and a half ago who had some IT experience and was studying to be a network engineer. When he got into my class, he said he dabbled with Cisco switches and routers and was looking forward to getting more in depth to it. After the 4-week course, 3 weeks of it being inside the uCertify lab, he informed me that it was, as he would say, exceptional, that the experience was beyond what he had imagined. It exceeded his expectations because it was a real life interface. I want to say about 7 months later, the same student contacted me and informed me that he had a job at a large bank in New York City, and he was on their network team. And when he was interviewed, they gave him a very basic networking command line interface test, and he sailed right through it. He called me to say thank you for the experience that he got in the class, but also he pinned it on the experience that the uCertify lab had given him. And that was the last I've heard of the student. But it just to have a student contact me months after the class has ended, after they graduated, it was their last class, in my mind, speaks volumes to the realistic quality. And I just keep saying realistic quality of the labs of uCertify, the Cisco lab, because in all my classes, I always teach the real world environment. I only use the book to satisfy the key academia components for grading. But it comes down to when they graduate, it's the real world. It's the real world that they have to function in. It's the real world that they're going to be graded on when they're in that interview. So I always bring the real world into my class. The uCertify lab does that. And I believe that the testimony of that one student speaks volumes for others that have not notified me. Keep up the good work. Thank you.
Thank you.